Welcome to Volt University. Today, we're exploring the differences between various types of landscape lighting spotlights. Whether you're brightening your garden or adding some magic to your backyard, understanding these options can help you make the best choice. Let's dive in. When choosing a spotlight, consider the fixture size, as it determines where it can be placed and the type of bulb it can accommodate. MR16 fixtures. These are great for bright, broad illumination, perfect for lighting up large areas like tree canopies or the front of your house. MR11 fixtures. These provide a focused beam while covering a good amount of space, ideal for medium-sized features like shrubs or garden sculptures. MR8 fixtures. Designed for discrete placement. These are perfect for subtle accent lighting that doesn't overpower your space. Integrated fixtures. Available in various sizes from very large to our smallest fixture, the Nano Spotlight. Some also offer features like color changing and dimming capability. Glare Guard. Glare guards help manage light spill and enhance nighttime aesthetics. Fixed glare guards are perfect for areas where light direction doesn't need to change due to glare. Rotatable glare guards allow you to adjust the light direction, offering flexibility for changing lighting needs. Rotatable and extendable glare guards provide precision control over glare and beam direction, suitable for detailed lighting setups. These are ideal in high traffic areas where glare is more noticeable. Choosing the right finish and color for your spotlights can significantly affect the look and feel of your outdoor space. A black finish blends well with darker settings and offers a sleek, unobtrusive look. Bronze finish, ideal for traditional or rustic settings. It weathers naturally and blends in with organic elements. Stainless steel finish, perfect for contemporary landscapes, offering a modern appearance and excellent durability. Copper finish provides a modern look that patinas beautifully over time. Lead wire length is crucial for placement flexibility. Typical lengths are 4 or 25 foot. A longer lead wire reduces the need for multiple connections and allows you to run groups of fixtures to a single hub. When choosing the right landscape lighting spotlight, consider the size of the area, the detail needed in your lighting, how you plan to manage glare, the aesthetic you aim to achieve, and how you'll connect your lights to power. The right choices will enhance both the functionality and beauty of your outdoor spaces. Thanks for joining us today at Volt University. For the most up-to-date information and the widest selection of lighting solutions, visit voltlighting.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment with your lighting challenges or successes. Check out our other videos for more DIY lighting tips and tricks. See you next time.